right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Only basics are given, right? DC to DR. So we'll take one more class also. Write down, students, first. Triangle of addition. Triangular law of addition. Triangle law of addition. Take OA is a vector, OB is a vector. From this triangle law of addition, you can write OA plus AB bar is equal to OB bar. So AB bar is equal to, this can be written as OB bar minus OA bar. Already we know, discussed in the class also. If let A comma B comma C or vertices of a triangle, then from triangle law of addition you can write AB plus BC bar is equal to, we can write AC bar. AB bar plus BC bar minus AC bar is equal to 0 bar. So therefore you can write it as, if you write in the order AB bar, BC bar, if you write a minus AC bar, this can be written as CA bar, it is minus of minus plus CA bar equal to 0. If we take in an order. Rectangular. Completed, students, everyone?
No, ma'am.
Right. Rectangular, hexagon. Hexagon. Rectangular, hexagon. Completed, students? Rectangular hexagon, how many sides are there, students?
6 sides, ma'am.
A, B, C, D, E, F. Total how many sides are there? Tell, Ra.
6, ma'am. 6. 6 sides, ma'am.
Okay. So from this, take let AB bar is equal to A bar. Correct? Huh? BC bar is equal to, I'm taking B bar. So first point in this, I want AC bar plus BC bar is equal to, tell me, students. AC bar plus, tell me, students, all of you, what is the answer? I want AC bar plus BC bar. What is AC bar, students? Respond. Students, respond. What is AC bar? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
AB bar plus BC bar.
What is the answer? AC bar plus BC bar is equal to?
A plus. AB bar plus BC bar.
AB bar.
AB bar, A bar plus AC bar.
A bar plus
You can write it as? Okay, first of all, tell me, AB bar plus BC bar?
AC bar.
Correct, Onina? AC bar is equal to, what is the answer, students?
AB bar plus BC. A bar plus B bar.
A bar plus BC bar, Onina. Tell me, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
AB bar plus BC bar. Any doubt? Second one. AD bar is equal to AD bar is equal to
A bar plus B bar plus A plus B.
AD bar is parallel to BC bar. AD bar is 2 times of BC bar. AD bar is 2 times of BC bar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
AD bar is equal to 2 times of BC bar. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
See the diagram, all of you. AD bar is equal to 2 times of BC bar. What is the answer for this? AD bar is equal to, what is BC? What I taken BC bar? CD bar is equal to? CD bar.
2 times of BA bar.
Tell me, students. Okay. Triangle ACD. ACD. Triangle ACD. AC bar plus CD bar is equal to AD bar.
Yes, ma'am.
From this, CD bar is equal to, tell me.
Ma'am, AD bar minus AC bar.
AD bar minus
AC bar.
What is the answer? What is AD bar?
Ma'am, AD is equal to B bar.
Okay. What is AC bar?
AC bar is A bar plus B bar.
What is the answer?
Ma'am, it's A bar. It's A bar.
A bar minus B bar.
Yeah, ma'am.
Any
No, ma'am.
doubt?
B bar minus A bar. Yeah, B bar minus A bar.
Correct. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Third one. From triangle BCD. From triangle B. From triangle BCD. Tell me, students. From triangle BCD, I want BC bar plus. So you can write BC bar plus CD bar is equal to BC
BD bar.
bar plus
BD bar.
Okay, good. So from this I want BD bar. How can you write? What's the value of BC bar? What is the value of BC bar? What's the given
B, ma'am.
BC
B
bar?
bar. B bar, ma'am.
What is C bar? What do you got CD bar? What do you got a CD bar?
B bar minus A bar.
B bar minus A bar.
Then what is the answer for this? BD bar is equal to
2 B bar
Minus A bar.
clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute, scroll down, ma'am.
1 minute, my last question. DE bar is equal to DE bar. DE bar is students, AB bar is A bar. DE bar is
E bar.
right. DE bar is parallel to DE bar is parallel to AB bar.
Yes, ma'am.
We can write what? Minus AB bar.
Minus A B bar. Yes, ma'am.
Understood, all of you? Negative of a vector, same magnitude but opposite in direction. Correct?
Minus A bar, ma'am.
Next, triangle BDE. Triangle BDE. BDE. Triangle BDE is equal to, tell me that value. BD bar plus DE bar is equal
ED
to
bar.
BE bar. Okay. I want BE bar. BE bar is equal to, what is the BD bar? How much you got the BD bar?
2B bar minus A bar.
2B bar minus A bar.
What is DE bar?
Minus A bar.
Minus A bar.
What's the answer?
2B bar minus 2B bar plus A bar. 2A bar.
Good. Completed, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed, students? How many students are there?
68.
Completed.
Completed. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next. Tell me, students, section formula for externally. What's the formula for section formula for externally or internally? We proved right already. Girls, respond. For externally, for internally, midpoint, what is the formula?
MAB plus NA.
What, ma? We proved or not this theorem? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, for externally, for externally, what is the formula?
MB minus NA divided by M minus N.
MB bar minus NA bar divided by M minus N. For midpoint, ma?
R bar is equal to A bar plus B bar by 2.
Okay. Listen, students. We know this diagram also. Okay. See here, A or B. A or B. Collinear. Lying on the same line. Students, respond. See the diagram, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
How it will be A or B? Here, A bar, comma R bar, comma B bar are collinear. Collinear. Collinear means what is the definition for collinear? Two or more points lying on the same line. Correct? Now see this diagram. How it will be? Tell me. A, capital A, that is A or B are collinear. Collinear. We know the formula. R bar is equal to, for externally, MB bar plus NA bar divided by M plus N. Take cross multiplication. You can write it as R bar into M plus N. It is equal to MB bar plus NA bar. That is if A bar comma R bar comma B bar are collinear, then one vector can be written. Some disturbance is coming, students. Mute yourself. Can be written as a linear combination of other two. Linear combination of other two. Linear combination of other two. In that. How can you write that linear combination? That and all we'll see now. A bar comma B bar and C bar are collinear. We can write it as C bar is equal to X A bar plus Y B bar for all X comma Y belongs to capital R. Next. Linear combination heading.
Carpenter செஞ்சுக்கிறான் ஒரு ரோட்ல.
Disturbance is coming, students. Please mute yourself. Who is that?
3 டோர் போயினுக்குதான், ஏதோ கிளாஸ் போயினுக்குதான்.
Kishore.
Who is that?
Sir.
Linear combination, right? Linear combination is, you can write it as A bar comma B bar and C bar and D bar are vectors, and K1 comma K2 comma K3 and so on are constants. Then linear combination, you can write it as K1 into A bar, K2 into B bar, K3 into C bar, which is equal to, will get you 0. Completed, students, everyone?
I'm scroll up now.
Next heading, linear dependent. Linear dependent. Linear dependent. If not all ki's are 0, but K1 A plus K2 B bar plus K3 C bar and so on, which is equal to 0. Then A bar, B bar, C bar are linear dependent. Linear dependent. Next, linear independent. If K1 into A1 bar, K2 into B2 bar, K3 into C bar, which is equal to 0, then K1 is equal to K2 is equal to K3 is equal to 0. That implies A bar, B bar, C bar are called linear independent. So for these are all confusion only. So that is why another method also there. So given completed students, everyone, given vectors are linear independent, given vectors are linear dependent, how can you find out is, if take A bar is equal to A1 I cap plus A2 J cap plus A3 K cap, take B bar is equal to A2 B1 I cap plus B2 J cap plus B3 K cap, take C bar is equal to C1 I cap C2 J cap plus C3 K cap. Determinant is equal to 0. Det value A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. It is equal to 0 are called linear dependent. Second point. For linear independent, det value it is not equal to 0. Students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, completed all of you? LD means linear dependent, Li means linear independent. If det is not equal to 0 is linear independent given vectors, and this is linear dependent. Completed students, everyone? Completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Next point. Two collinear vectors are linear dependent.
Make it small, man.
Three coplanar vectors are linear dependent only. Two non-collinear vectors are linear independent. More than three coplanar vectors are linear dependent. Three non-coplanar vectors are linear independent. Very important condition it is. Three vectors A bar, B bar and C bar are collinear if there exist x comma y comma z belongs to R such that we have a condition x a bar plus y b bar plus z c bar is
ZC bar equal to 0.
or x plus y plus z is
Equal to 0. Ma'am, can you scroll a little bit down? A little bit more down. Note.
Completed, students?
What is Li?
Linearly independent.
Okay, ma'am.
LD means linearly dependent. Linear, dependent, linear, independent. Completed, students? Students completed or not? Why you're not responding?
Yes, correct, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next heading, median.
Ma'am, can you scroll up, ma'am?
Median. AD is a median. BE. This is CF. Here we have to find out median. What is the formula? AD bar is equal to. So how can you do this one? From triangle ADC is equal to, you can write AB bar plus BD bar is equal to AD bar. So next ADB. AB bar is equal to TC bar plus CA bar. From this AD bar is equal to, you can write it as minus DC bar minus CA bar. Students? Hello?
Yes.
Respond, students, all of you. So directly I'm writing these proofs and all, no need, just write the formula. AD is equal to AB bar plus AC bar by 2. Similarly, BA is equal to BA bar plus BC bar by 2. CF bar is equal to CA bar plus CB bar by 2. AD plus BE plus CF, which is equal to, we can write it as, write 1 by 2 right outside. AB bar plus AC bar plus BA bar plus BC bar plus CA bar plus CB bar. That is, AD bar from triangle will get you 0. BE bar plus CF bar, this value it is equal to 0. That is, vectors sum of medians. Sum of medians of a triangle is a 0. Is 0. 0 vector. Next, centroid. Let A bar, B bar, C bar be the vertices of triangle. Be the vertices of a triangle A, B, C. Centroid G we have to find out. What is the formula, students, for this? Let G be the center of a triangle ABC is, take it as OD. D. OD is equal to BC bar plus C bar by 2, midpoint. OZ bar is equal to a vector divides a vector which divides capital A of A bar and capital B of B bar plus C bar by 2 internally in the ratio 2:1 is OZ bar is equal to formula 2 times of A bar plus C bar by 2 plus 1 into A bar by 3. OZ bar is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar by 3 is the formula for centroid. Students, completed? Students, my voice is clear? Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Since goal of no.
See that level 1?
Ma'am, show median one, show.
Median. Completed, students?
Yes.
Page number 140. Volume number 2. Take the material, everyone. At least do level 1 problems, students. Just easy problems only. Just I will give the homework. Just do these problems. This one dot product and vector product also. See the first question. Page number 140. All of you having test this one material, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Take page number 140. What is the first question? Read the first question. Read the first question. What is the first question, ma? Page number 140. Read the first question. What is the given? Take the material, everyone. Right, ma. Level 1. Level 1 first question is given. The vector cos alpha cos beta into I cap plus cos alpha sin beta j cap plus sin alpha k cap is null vector, unit vector parallel to I bar plus J bar plus K bar, a vector parallel to 2I bar plus J bar plus minus K bar. So here we have to find unit vector or null vector, means take magnitude for this. What's the magnitude? Tell me, students. What's the magnitude? Take square root. So cos alpha, cos beta whole square plus
This cos alpha sin b
cos
whole
alpha sin beta whole square. Do it, all of you. Tell me the answer for this. Tell me the answer for this. Do it. What's the answer, ma?
square. Then sin
From these two, take common cos square alpha. Then cos square beta plus sin square beta plus sin square alpha. So this value, it is 1 already we know. So what is left here? Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. It is equal to
It was equal to 1.
which
Square
type
root
of vector it is? Magnitude is 1 is what? Given vector is what? Magnitude is 1 means given vector is what? Tell me. My God, what is the definition of unit vector? Tell me,
unit
students.
vector
What is the definition of unit vector?
whose magnitude is 1.
Magnitude, what you got here? 1 only, na? Magnitude is 1 means what? Given vector is what? What? Tell me.
Unit vector.
Unit vector only, na?
Yes, ma'am.
What is ma? Completed. Do second, third, fourth, take it as homework. Do 3, 4, 2, 3, 4.
One mark.
Yeah, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 homework, ma. Easy only. Do it, all of you. It is very easy only, students. Do it, all of you. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Next. See that fifth question. See the fifth question. Likit, respond. Likit is there. Respond, Likit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, read the question, fifth question, Ra. You don't have material now? C is mid. P is any point outside of AB. Then C is a midpoint of AB. Tell me the answer, Likit. How can you write?
Ma'am, PC bar is equals to PA bar plus PB bar by 2.
Okay. Just once you solve these questions, students. Question number 6 and 7 also. Question number 6, 7, 11, 15, 16, 17, 18. These questions solve once, all of you. Next, see this one dot product, page number Page number 155. Page number 155. Page number 155. Before that, write the formulas. Completed, students, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Next, write down. Yeah, next, write down, students. Product of two vectors. Product of two vectors. Okay, these are all. We'll discuss. What's the time now? Till time is there now? 10 minutes. Okay, we'll complete now. Okay, write down, students. Dot products. First of all, tell me the formula. A bar dot B bar is equal to modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar into cos theta. Next, cos theta is equal to, we know the formula, A bar dot B bar by modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar. Next, projection of a vector A bar on B bar is A bar dot B bar by modulus of B bar. Next, modulus of A bar plus B bar is always less than or equal to modulus of A bar plus modulus of B bar. For this proof also there. We'll discuss in the class that modulus of A bar dot B bar is less than or equal to modulus of A bar dot modulus of B bar. Next, orthogonal projection of A bar along B bar is A bar dot B bar into B bar by modulus of B bar whole square. Next, projection of B bar perpendicular to A bar is B bar minus A bar dot B bar A bar by modulus of A bar square. Next, if A bar and B bar are unit vectors, and theta be the angle between A bar and B bar is, then modulus of A bar plus B bar is equal to 2 cos theta by 2. A bar minus B bar is equal to 2 sin theta by 2. this proof also there, students. Take a bar plus b bar whole square is equal to modulus of a bar square plus modulus of b bar square plus 2 times of a bar dot b bar, na? So modulus of a bar square, modulus of b bar square plus 2 into a bar dot b bar means again modulus of a bar into modulus of b bar into cos theta. Take common 2. So a bar and b bar are unit vectors. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 into modulus of a bar into modulus of b bar into cos theta. So modulus of a bar, modulus of b bar is 1. 1 into 1. Take 2 common outside. 1 plus cos theta. So 2 into 2 cos square theta by 2. So we can write modulus of a bar plus b bar is equal to root over 4 into cos square theta by 2. We can write it as a bar plus b bar is equal to 2 into cos theta by 2. Similarly, a bar minus b bar also. Students completed? Students completed?
No, ma'am.
Just once you try this, students, all the problems, level 1 problems, easy problems and all once you practice. So Monday, I have like one more class, students. Monday, 1 hour, we'll discuss this competitive class only. We'll discuss all this competitive problem.
Monday
numerical
online.
problems. Monday, online classes will be there.
Ma'am, can you send this notes in the group, ma'am?
Notes, group.
Yes, ma'am, this thing.
I will try. Okay. Okay, students. Okay, once you practice numericals, all these, okay. Thank you. Now I'm going to close the class. So that this one board class students, that board 5 marks questions. So second order derivative, LPP, okay, matrices, so determinants, so functions. So once again revise all the problems. Okay, now one more time you have to practice even that functions and second order derivative, LPP. So once again you have to practice, students. So please don't waste your time. Okay, now only practice till it is. After that we will do 1, 2, 3 marks. Okay, if you completed all perfectly 5 marks questions means you can do remaining 1, 2, 3 marks questions. If you don't know 5 marks questions means it takes time for that only 5 marks. So remember all of you, once you practice all 5 marks questions, if you want means again I will resend all the solutions in the post. I think it is already there. If you want means I will send one more time. Okay, and the final question bank also it is there in the group. Just practice all the questions, matrices, determinants. If already we know 5 marks questions means those people do 1, 2, 3 marks questions. Differentiation, even CBSE students also differentiation, LPP, that and all once you practice, students. Okay, in actually differentiation, almost all the questions are covered in that final question bank only. So once you practice all these differentiation problems, okay. Thank you. Thank you, students. Now I'm going to close the class.
Thank you.